When it comes to these 2024 Mustangs, they have an electric parking brake from the factory. What that means is if you're doing any sort of maintenance or work on the braking system, whether that's rotors, pads, or something with the parking brake, you need to put it in parking brake maintenance mode or brake maintenance mode. It's a very easy process, and I'll show you how to do it. All right, first thing you want to do is turn the ignition on. Then you press the brake pedal and release the parking brake. Just leave the car in gear. Then I press and hold the accelerator pedal and push the parking brake down. And while continuing to hold the brake pedal and the parking brake, turn the ignition off. Then turn the ignition back on. And you'll hear the brake system cycle, and then what it is the parking brake moving further in, moving that piston all the way in. You'll also see an error warning next to the brake while it's blinking, and you'll get the error message as well. And at this point, now that you're in brake maintenance mode, you're ready to do the work on the car. Now that you've done the work to the car, you're ready to get it out of brake maintenance mode. First, you turn the ignition on. Once the ignition's on, you'll still see the error warning come up that it's in brake maintenance mode. Push the accelerator to the floor, pull up on the parking brake, press the brake pedal for at least 1 second, and put it back up, all while holding the gas pedal and the parking brake. Turn the ignition off. Turn the ignition back on. And you'll hear everything cycle, and you're good to go.